How to use Reddit Add Credit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. I will take you through the step-by-step process on how to use Reddit Adds Credit. Now let's get right into the tutorial. You can claim Reddit Add Credit via marketing campaigns in product banners or the promo input field on the billing page. Offers and the promo input field are only available to accounts that do not have any other active promotions. To claim a promo via the promo field, simply enter it into the promo field and click Add Promo Code. If the promo code is valid and you are eligible for the promo, you will see a pop-up modal. To accept any offer, click the Get It Now button on the pop-up modal. To earn Reddit Ads credit, after the promotional offer is claimed, your advertising campaigns must accrue cost of the spend threshold, excluding any taxes or applicable fees within the days to fulfill spend. Once the previous step is completed, provided all eligibility checks are met, the credit will typically be applied within 24 days to the Ads Credit section on the billing page of your Reddit Ads account with the associated credit expiration date. Credit applies to future advertising costs only. Credit cannot be applied to cost accrued before the promotional offer was applied to your Reddit account. So this is how you can use Reddit Ads Credit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please make sure to like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.